Faceless YouTube channels have recently gained massive popularity by attracting millions of views and thousands of subscribers through simple explainer videos. These videos cover a broad range of topics, from financial advice to travel insights, using only voiceovers, basic footage, and minimal editing. Inspired by this growing trend, I set out to see if I could replicate this success by creating similar explainer videos using AI alone. By the end, you'll help decide whether the video I produce is worth publishing or if this AI-driven approach is just another passing trend. I chose personal finance as the focus for my channel. This niche is perfect for a faceless, AI-run channel because of its popularity and the fact that it doesn't require personal footage. If you're unsure which niche to choose, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas. Once I settled on the niche, the next step was creating my channel's branding, beginning with the name. After asking for 10 creative YouTube channel name suggestions focused on personal finance, one name stood out: Wealth Whisperers. The next task was to craft a catchy and concise channel description. Using AI, I generated an engaging bio for Wealth Whisperers that perfectly captured the channel's focus on personal finance. With a sharp, witty, and informative tone, the description was ready in no time. I then moved on to visual branding, which included creating a profile picture and banner image. I used Ideogram AI, an intuitive tool that helps generate logos and banners using simple prompts. In just a few minutes, my channel's visual identity was fully established, entirely created with AI. The real challenge, however, was producing the actual video content. I began with brainstorming ideas. By asking the AI for 20 video concepts related to personal finance, I landed on the topic, 10 Money Myths Busted. Traditionally, creating a video involves scripting, recording, sourcing music and footage, and editing, all of which can be very time-consuming. However, using Invideo AI dramatically simplified the process. All I needed to do was input a single, detailed prompt. I logged into Invideo AI.io and selected the YouTube explainer workflow, which streamlined the video creation process. I specified a target length of 10 minutes and added clear instructions detailing what the video should and shouldn't cover. I also provided creative direction for the tone, style, and specific features such as an engaging introduction and a strong call to action. For the voiceover, I selected a clear, female American voice and set inspiring background music. While there was an option to reference external articles for content accuracy, I decided to test the AI's standalone capabilities. I also included my channel's name as a watermark and allowed the AI to choose stock footage from its extensive library. After submitting all the details, I provided information about the target audience and the desired visual aesthetic. Within 10 minutes, the AI generated a complete draft of the video.
Ever heard the saying that money can't buy happiness, or that the rich don't work hard? Let's delve into these money misconceptions and more. Welcome to our grand tour of the most popular money myths that have taken root in our society. From being told that money is the root of all evil, to believing it's too late to start saving. Then there are those who say you need money to make money, or that all debt is bad. Some even think investing is only for the rich, or that money will solve all your problems. There's also the belief that you have to spend.
The initial preview was surprisingly impressive: smooth edits, relevant stock footage, natural voiceovers, and synchronized transitions, all handled automatically. The AI didn't just randomly select visuals, it intelligently curated stock clips from over 8 million assets to match the voiceover and script. The editing was tight, and the pacing worked well for a professional YouTube video. Still, to ensure top quality, I explored various ways to fine-tune the content. There were 3 main ways to tweak the AI-generated video. First, if I was dissatisfied with the entire video, I could rewrite the prompt to generate a completely new draft. Since I was generally happy with the first result, I skipped this step. Instead, I focused on editing specific elements, such as the script and media. By selecting Edit Script, I could tweak any section of the narration, and the AI would automatically adjust the voiceover and visuals. Alternatively, the Edit Media feature allowed me to swap out individual clips by either uploading my own footage or selecting new clips from the stock library. each adjustment seamlessly integrated into the video without affecting the overall flow. The most efficient editing option was using the command box. This tool allowed me to make specific changes quickly, especially for longer videos where manual edits would be time-consuming. For example, I asked the AI to make the introduction more fast-paced to immediately capture viewers' attention. I experimented with background music, choosing a more dramatic score to match the serious tone of financial myths. To add variety to the voiceover, I switched to a British male voice, which brought a sense of sophistication to the narration. This combination enhanced the overall viewing experience, making the content more engaging and aligning the mood with the subject matter for a more impactful presentation. Accessibility was also a priority, so I added subtitles to ensure the video was inclusive for a wider audience. These changes took only a few minutes, and each tweak noticeably improved the final product. Any mistakes or unsatisfactory edits were easy to fix using the undo function. Once the final version was ready, I exported the video. While free users of Invideo can create up to 4 videos per week with watermarks, a paid subscription removes watermarks and unlocks additional features. Throughout the process, Invideo's responsive 24/7 support team was available, typically replying within 30 seconds to resolve any issues.
Ever heard the saying that money can't buy happiness, or that the rich don't work hard? Well, we're about to find out if this is really true or not. Today we're busting some popular money myths, from believing money is the root of all evil to assuming it's too late to start saving. From thinking all debt is bad to believing that wealth requires sacrifice. Let's see where these beliefs come from, so you can build a better money mindset. First up, the classic adage, money can't buy happiness. Is that so? Well, let's unpack this a bit. Recent studies have shown that financial security can indeed lead to happiness. Now I know what you're thinking.
The end result exceeded my expectations. The video started with an attention-grabbing introduction, effectively debunked common money myths, and offered valuable financial advice. For instance, it tackled the misconception that money can't buy happiness. The script clarified that while money doesn't directly bring joy, it can alleviate stress and provide opportunities that contribute to a happier, more fulfilling life. So, was it worth it? Would you actually watch this AI-generated video, or does all the hype around AI content creation seem overblown? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Is AI the future of content creation, or just another passing trend? Let me know what you think. Uploading the finished video to my channel was simple. Consistency is key for success with AI-driven channels, so publishing videos regularly is essential. Since each video only took about 15 minutes to create, maintaining a schedule of 1 upload per week was entirely achievable. To maximize exposure, it's important to craft compelling video titles and design eye-catching thumbnails. These elements are crucial for attracting clicks and boosting visibility in YouTube's algorithm. With powerful platforms like Invideo and Ideogram AI, producing professional quality videos has never been easier. Whether you're starting your own faceless YouTube channel or experimenting with new content creation methods, it's clear that the future of video production is not just bright, it's AI-powered.